Hey developers, welcome to part 2 of our dashboard series. So today we are going to design a login page using HTML and CSS. But before starting, I want to say that I work very hard on my videos, so your one like and subscribe motivates me a lot. So please like, subscribe and comment your suggestions for upcoming videos. I would like to tell you that if you want, then you can support me on Patreon so that I can make more videos for you all. And you will get many more benefits. The link is in the description. And if you want to get your custom advanced dashboard made, then you can contact me on Discord. So you have to go to the SRC folder, and after that go to dashboard folder, and inside the HTML folder, create a file index.html. So now let's start creating our login page. First we'll code HTML structure, and then we'll write a CSS code to make it look better.